In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download 7-zip on Windows 10. Whether you're dealing with large files or simply want a more efficient way to handle your archives, 7-zip is a fantastic tool to have at your disposal. So let's walk through the process of downloading and installing 7-zip in a few easy steps. First, open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other browser you feel comfortable with. In the search bar at the top, you'll want to type in 7-zip and hit enter. This will bring up a list of search results related to 7-zip, which is the open source archive utility we aim to download today. Once the search results show up, look for the official 7-zip website and click on it. You'll want to make sure you're accessing the official page for security reasons and to guarantee that you're getting the latest version of the software. Next, you'll need to select the installer that matches your Windows 10 system. This is a crucial step because choosing the correct version ensures that the software runs smoothly on your computer. Generally, you'll find options for a 32-bit or a 64-bit version. If you're unsure which version your system supports, right-click on this PC on your desktop, select Properties, and it will tell you under System Type. Now that you've determined which version you need, go ahead and click on the corresponding version to begin the download process. A download link will typically appear on the page, and by clicking it, the download should start. Depending on your internet connection speed, this could take a few moments to complete. Once the download is finished, navigate to the folder where your downloaded files usually reside if you haven't specified otherwise. This will often be your downloads folder. Locate the installer file you just downloaded. It should have a name something like 7zsetup.exe. Double click on this file to run the installer. The installer will initiate the installation process, guiding you through several prompts. Here you can select the installation location on your computer and customize any specific settings if you wish. The default settings are generally fine for most users, so don't worry if you're unsure about adjusting them. After you've made your choices, proceed with the installation. This might take just a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, the installer will inform you that the process has finished. You can now go ahead and close the installer, and there you have it. 7-zip is now installed on your Windows 10 machine. You can begin using it to compress and decompress files, manage your archives, and much more. It's a powerful tool that will certainly make your life a little easier when dealing with file management. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please be sure to subscribe for more easy to follow guides, and as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below.